In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cash out your Robinhood buying power. Now, first thing you need to do is understand buying power. Buying power is the available cash in your Robinhood account that can be used to purchase stocks, ETF and crypto. If your buying power comes from the selling stocks or crypto, the funds must settle before the withdrawal. Stocks and ETF takes 2 business days and crypto funds are available instantly after selling. If your buying power includes instant deposit or margin funds, you may need to wait or repay margin before withdrawing. And once you have done that, you need to withdraw your buying power. So open up your Robinhood app and then you just have to click on this profile icon from the bottom of your screen. Now you just have to, after that you just have to click on 3-line menu, and from menu you have to select this transfer button. Then it's going to open up this similar screen where you can see your withdrawal cash or buying power that you have in your account, or that you can withdraw. Now to withdraw this cash, you just have to click on this transfer money button. Then you just have to click on this from option, and then you have to select your Robinhood account which hold your buying power. So in my case, the buying power is in my brokerage account, so I will just select my brokerage account. Then you have to select your two accounts, so just click on this section and then select your bank account where you want to transfer this money. Then just enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on review. After that, you just have to again click on this transfer button, and then your withdraw request will be submitted and you will get your buying power or money in 5 business days in your bank account. So I hope this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.